Guru Nation, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share. Look, I got two questions. Both people texted me. Anybody can do this. 949-415-6256. I'm going to combine both of them because they're kind of related. So the first question says, hey, I live in the UK. I'm thinking about doing a master's program. I want to move to the US. Do companies in the US look favorably upon doing a master's while you're working for a company? And this is a good question. So if you are called in for the interview and your resume says master's pending, then they already know you're in the master's program. They obviously don't care as much about it. If it's not on your resume, you might be asking, well, is this something I should bring up during the interview? The question is, it depends. At some places, look, you guys accuse me of always talking bad about academic research centers. I'm about to say something good. At an academic research center, if you're in the middle of a master's program, which a lot of the employees are, when you get that master's degree, you're eligible for promotions within. Whereas at some of the smaller sites, unless they do psychiatry sites where you could be a rater, or maybe they'll put you as a sub-investigator, but then again, if your master's degree is not anything clinically related, you may not be able to be a sub-I. So really psychiatric clinics would be best for the master's degree or higher. They may be concerned that you're going to leave them for a academic research center. Are you going to leave them for a CRO or a sponsor? I know myself, when I hired my own employees, this often came up. It never prevented me or precluded me from hiring these people, but I always thought in the back of my mind, okay, this person, they say they're going to give me 100%, but they're also in the middle of a arduous master's degree. So I know they're not going to give me 100%, but am I okay with them? Am I okay with their 75% that they're going to give me? And for the candidates that I've hired, and I've hired successfully, it has been the case. And guess what? When they get their master's degree, they still stay with me for a couple months, if not even one of them stayed for another year before they moved on. So I do get some benefit out of that. There's also benefit of maybe you can negotiate as an employer. You could pay them a little less because they're doing the master's degree. The small business, you can do a lot. Academic research center, it's probably going to work in your favor. CRO, it's probably going to work in your favor because if you get a master's degree at that point, you can even do clinical trial management, all kinds of stuff after that. So I wouldn't worry about that. The other question I got was somebody who has a bachelor's degree that has experience as a pharmacy tech, ultrasound tech, and a cardio tech. How do they get started in research? They do have research experience from the past. OBGYN clinics and cardio clinics or internal medicine clinics in your area that do research, apply there as a clinical research coordinator. You're going to get the look, you're at least going to get looks because of your pharmacy tech background, and if it's cardio or OBGYN clinics, because of your assessment skills and experience that you have. So never underestimate your skills, never underestimate your existing skills, never underestimate your pharmacy knowledge, contraindications. One of the things I'm going to do more in my vlogs is describe why studies are so hard, what makes them complex, especially when it comes to inclusion exclusion criteria, contraindicated medication. So use all that to your advantage. If you still need help, my CRC Academy will help for that. It will help get you a job as a CRC. I almost guarantee it. We've had a lot of success with our students. So reach out to me, 949-415-6256. With all that being said, have a great one, guys. Bye-bye.